Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for this beginner Restore Your Foot movement class. Before we start, I want to announce that we are extending the 35% Black Friday discount for another week when you go to www.msworkouts.com and use that coupon code MOVEWELL. So we hope this provides you the extra time that you need to get your ducks in order so that you can join this exclusive membership program. The exclusive membership at msworkouts.com is our most comprehensive program that we've created to help you reduce your symptoms and live a stronger life with MS. You get access to weekly Q&As with me and other special presenters, access to our full body fundamental strength training classes that our team programs and updates on a weekly basis for you, live workout classes led by a trainer living with MS, and much more. If you have felt intimidated or defeated by strength training in the past, then start with our brand new Restore movement series. Once you get into the rhythm of moving, then you can add in one of our strength training classes for even better results. This 35% discount is the biggest special that we offer all year long. So if you've ever been on the fence about joining MS Workouts, then now is the time to do it. Again, simply go to www.msworkouts.com, use that coupon code that we're providing for you, MOVEWELL, and you're gonna instantly get 35% off any of the membership plans until Monday. Also, remember, all of our plans include a free yellow CLX TheraBand so you can get started immediately. We have worked with thousands of individuals who have gotten real and life-changing results using our program and connecting with our community. And we want the exact same thing for you. With all that being said, I want you to go ahead and shift gears by grabbing a chair and joining me for this Restore Your Foot movement class. We're going to execute a passive adduction and abduction movement drill in our right leg. So really what we're looking for is access to this right ankle. So if you have the ability to cross your leg without discomfort in the knee or the hip or the back, do so. Okay, if you need to have an ottoman, get on the floor. If you need to have someone do this for you, that's perfectly fine as well too. Just gain access to this right foot. We're going to go 10 efforts, okay? And we're just going to literally be rotating with the hand the foot out, so abduction and then adducting it in, so rotating it out and then in, okay? So we're gonna start in, we'll head out, that's gonna be one effort, and we're gonna go through 10 efforts here. There should not be any twisting or jerking, right? Just go through the range the body gives you. Let's do it. All right, gonna head slowly out, begin. So heading out and then rotating back in, that's one, just kind of a passive movement here, meaning you are moving the foot, right, with the hands, almost like a stretch dynamically, right? Just looking to get some range of motion and movement here, not forcing the situation, shouldn't feel pain. If you have lack of sensitivity in the area, okay, then be very cautious not to over rotate this ankle during this movement drill here, okay? Heading back in, heading out, right? Thinking about taking it 1 second at a time. Again, we're not exercising here, we're just moving. We're going 2 more here. Yep, we're gonna go 1 more here. And relaxing. Again, focusing on not rotating or twisting too much, just looking for movement in that ankle. Let's execute a passive adduction abduction with our left ankle. So we're gonna cross the legs, just gain access to this ankle, whether you need to get on the floor, use an ottoman, or have someone do this for you. We're going to go abduction to adduction. We're going to go 10 efforts, not torquing, twisting, just getting movement in this ankle. You ready, Miss Olivia?
Yes.
All right, let's do this. So heading out, so ab, and then rotating in, add, yep. We're going to go 10 of these efforts, just nice, smooth, and deliberate. Again, if you have any type of neurological impedance in the area, it's not as sensitive, right? Can't feel it quite as well. Don't over torque, don't over twist this ankle. Just focus on getting movement into it. This is an active rest modality that's going to really allow you to loosen up this ankle, get blood flow to the area so that we're recovering the very best way possible. All right, we're going to go 2 more here. Excellent. Let's go 1 more. And slowly disengaging and relaxing. Give it back to that body. Our YouTube channel is a great place to start gaining strength, but if you want to get serious about reducing your symptoms and getting results, then you need to be on a weekly structured strength training program with other individuals just like you. And that's exactly what we offer at MS Workouts through our membership. Click the link in the video or below the video to learn how our membership can help you achieve your goals. And while you're on the website, make sure you sign up for the no-cost 7-day strength camp so you can experience how we can help you do the things that you love to do with more confidence. See you all next week.